Now in the previous video we saw that how can we describe the transformation, and now today we will see that how can we graph those transformed functions with the parent function on the same grid or in the different grid. Okay, so let's try over here. Now here what is given to us, that perform the given transformation on the given function. Okay, so here we have been graph. Okay, now let's check here what are the coordinates that are given to us. This coordinate, right? X value is -1 and Y value is +1. Okay, over here it's written the 1 over here, then the X value is 1 and also the Y value is 1. Let's perform a transformation f of x minus 2. This is the question. So how can we perform it? So let's suppose h. First of all, we have to find out what is h. And in the previous video, we understood that if x minus 2 is written, we take the h as the opposite sign. So minus 2 will be converted into plus 2. Now H means either you move right or left. And what does plus means? Plus means you have to move 2 units. 2 units where? 2 units right. Okay, so 2 units right. Right means you have to change the x, right? You have to change the x. Okay, there are two ways that if it is here, for example, this value is here. Okay, now try to understand. And you have to move the 2 units. So this is 1 unit and this is 2 unit. Yani this point will come here. Now on this one, also move 2 units. 1 unit, 2 units. Now over here there was a point, move it 2 units, 1 unit and 2 units. And just graph it free-handed. Yani just freehand graph. So you see that my red color graph moved to the right hand side. But if you don't want, look at this. If you have this graph, you point out over here. Okay, if you want to do this one, you point out over here, here and here and these 3 points. Now move towards the right. Toward the right, yani 2 units. So this one 1, 2 here. This one 1, 2 here. And this one 1, 2 here. And again on the other grid even we can just graph it. That's it. No need to do much, and that is all. Let's suppose I have a graph f of x plus 1. Now plus 1 is outside. This is my question. So the first thing is I will identify my k. So what is my k? The k is the value which is written out, that is plus 1. So where I am moving? Either up or down. So if it is plus 1, it means I have to move horizontally or horizontal translation 1 unit up. So I have to move 1 unit up. Again, I have 1, 2, 3 points, right? I had this point, I had this point, and I had this point. Now I want to move 2 units, 1 unit up. So this point 1 unit up, it means over here. This point 1 unit up, it means here. This point 1 unit up, this is here. And graph only a little bit. Just freehand graph. Just a freehand graph. Let's suppose you have a question y equals to f of x minus 2 plus 2. Okay. So here you can see there is an h and also there is a k. So what is h and what is k? For h we have to take the opposite sign. So x minus 2 you have to take it plus 2. and 2 units up. So plus 2 here. So it means you have to move right 2 units and up 2 units. Okay, again I had the 3 main points. Those 3 main points I am just trying to make here. Okay, 2 right, 2 up. Let's see here. And see this point. Okay, look at this point. 2 right, 2 up. Here, this point. 1, 2 point right and 2 point up. This is my new point. So I am making the new point with my blue color. Okay, now let's see here. This color. Okay, 2 right, 2 up. So 1, 2 right and 1, 2 up. Here it is my second. And I told you that I have to take it from the blue. So this is my second point. Now the last point, 2 right, 2 up. So I will take this point, 1, 2 right and 1, 2 up. This is my third point. And after that only I have to sketch the graph with my free hand. That's it. This is how I make the transformation. Let's suppose here f of y equals to negative f of x. Negative f of x means across where? Across x axis. So I have to take the reflection. Now here is this one. Okay, reflection is this point. So if this is at a distance of 1, so the new point will be at a distance of 1. This point at a distance of 1, so this point also at a distance of 1. And just like that, sketch the graph with the free hand. That's all. My drawing, don't go on my drawing because it is not good, but actually this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Whatever. Now what will happen if f of negative x is written? Y equal. It means you have to transform towards the right. Yani this is your reflection. Right? Now this point reflection over here and this point reflected over here. So the same figure will come for the reflection of the yx because it is a symmetric value. It is a symmetric equation. The reflection of this line is exactly same as this line and the reflection of this line is exactly same as this line. So when we write for this graph especially y equals to 5 f of minus x, then it is stay the same. Let's take one more. Y equals to f of x plus 1 minus 3. So let's see what is my h, what is my k. My h is opposite side, that is negative 1. My k is same side, that is negative 3. So negative 1, which is h, it means moving left. And k, it means negative 3 moving down. So first, what are the 3 points? I have this point, I have this point, and I have this point. So where I have to move? I have to move 1 unit left and 3 units down. So let's see here this point, okay? 1 unit left here and 3 units down. It means 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit here. Now this point, 1 unit left and 3 down. So 1, 2 and 3 down. This one, 1 unit left and 3 units down here. Now just sketch the graph properly and erase those points. Now vertical stretch. Okay, vertical, in the vertical stretch, let's suppose the question is y equals to 3 f of x. What does it mean? It means x stay the same x stays same, but the y value will be multiplied by y value multiply by this factor. That means multiply by the 3. So what does it mean? That x value is negative 1, right? Here the y value is 1, so 1 times 3 is 3. So on the negative 1, it will be negative, it will be positive 3 here. Okay, so it's same thing. If you have here the y value is 3, on the 1 it is 1, you multiply it by 3, so 1 times 3 is 3, so on the 1 the y value will become 3, and anything multiplied by 0 is 0, so just make it closer, just make it closer, just go, don't go on my here, and over here it is here. So it is means that on stretching it is coming to closer towards the y. Same thing happen with the absolute value of function. So let's suppose if I have an equation y equals to f of x plus 2. So what is h equals to? Take the opposite sign, that is negative 2. It means move towards the left. Okay, take the points. So here I have the point minus 2 and 3. Over here, which I know already, I have the point 4 and 6. Okay, I have only, that's the 2 point, or if you want to take this point also, so this is minus 4 and 6. Take any 2 points, so that let's take this point and let's take this point. That's it. 2 points are enough for us. So we have, let's see here, minus 4 and 6 here, and 4 and 6 here. These 2 points, okay? And this point, the third point is here. So you have to move 2 units left. It means that use this point, move 2 left. 1, 2. So this is the new point here with this one. And 2 left over here, so 1, 2. So this is my new point. Here is this point, 2 left, so 1, 2, this is my left. Now with the help of the ruler, just try to sketch them properly. For me it is difficult because I am working on that one. Okay, and make a straight line. Okay, please, with the help of the ruler, you make the straight line. Next question, if it is y equals to f of x plus, let's suppose, 2. So again, I have negative 4 and 6. I already know the 2 points. I know the 4 and 6, and I know the 0 and 0. These points I know. So plus 2 means 2 units up. So the first thing I have to write k equals to 2. It means I have to move 2 units up. So here 1 and 2. So 2 units up means 1 and 2 here. Here 1 and 2, so it means go up 2 units up. And from this point also go up, so this is 2 units up. And then join all the points. But please use the ruler to join the point, because my drawing and my board is not helping me to draw the graph accurately. So this is how we have to graph it. Okay. Let's practice one more question, that is f of x minus 2 plus 2 minus, let's see here, 4. Okay, so what is my h? Take the opposite sign, that is negative 2. It means I am moving 2 units left. Take the k, it's negative 4, which means I have to move 4 units down. Okay, I know the points, that is 0, 0, minus 4 and 6 and 4 and 6. 2 units left, 4 units down. Okay, I will choose red color. 2 units left. 1, 2 units left and 4 units down. 1, 2, 3 and 4 units down. For this part. For this color, 2 units left, so 1 and 2 units left. 4 down, 1, 2, then I have 3 and then I have 4. Same for this one. 2 units left, 1, 2 and 4 down. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I have 3 points. Now I am going to just by the help of the ruler, I am going to join them. That is my graph. What will happen if I have y equals to negative f of x? So I have negative 4, 6. I have the 4, 6 and I have the 0, 0. Reflection means the same distance I have to take it across the x-axis. For if negative is outside, I have to take across the x-axis and join the figures. Extend the line and join these points. So this is how all the transformation looks like. Now let's try a complex question which consists of many kinds of transformation in one question. So let's suppose y equals to 2x minus 3 plus 4, for example. Okay. So here you have the h, you have the k. So inside the x minus h and plus k, it's inside minus 3, which means you have to go positive 3, plus 4, it means you have to move 4 units up. So 3 means you will move right and 4 means for the k you move up. And after that there is a is given, that is 2. It means you have a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. So the first thing is, remember that perform H and K. So let's try to move each and everything towards the right and up. Okay, so you know that I had the 2 points, like negative 4 and 6, I had 1 point. The other point, this one, I had the 4 and 6. On this graph I have taken. Okay, now after that you have to move. Okay, make it on the same grids to understand that one, because here I don't have the place. So here, so this one, here says 3 units up, 3 units right and 4 units up. So 3 units right means 1, 2, 3 units right and 4 units on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see here. This is my point. What about this one? This one also 3 units right. 1, 2, 3 units right and 4 units up. 1, 2, 3 and let's see here 4. For the other point here also 3 units right, 1, 2, 3 units right and 4 units up, 3 and 4. Okay, I am showing you with another color that this is not my final answer, but I can show you this. Okay. But why this is not my final answer? The reason is that I have to perform the vertical stretch. Vertical stretch means whatever my y value is, at the same x value multiply by 2. What does it mean? Look at this one. What is the y value? So if you look here, y values, you move 4 units up. So 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here is the 10. So 10 times 2 is 20. So on this one, on the same x here, on the same vertex, it should be 20. So somewhere here, yani like this, it will be changed. It come like this. Similarly, it will go like this. It is coming closer the closer to each other. The reason is it's vertically stretching.